I'm here today to tell you about our new limited edition elk horn chopper. Apparently there's 132 of these in the world. They're all marked right here. What I love about this is like we're playing all the hits here. So we've got the chopper, our best-selling knife, and we combined it with elk horn handle, cool little stainless bolster here, and the Teton etch. These ones really are special in that, you know, every piece of elk horn, this is technically an elk antler. An antler falls off of an elk every year. Horns technically don't, but cowboys here in Wyoming, we call it elk horns.
Now you understand.
Anyway, every one of these is made with a unique piece of elk horn. Obviously, it's one of the more challenging things our knife makers have to deal with. Just to start with, on a whole elk rack, there's only kind of a small section usually where you can get a usable piece out of. The makers will, start with sort of a longer piece, trim it down to fit. They need to taper the front. After it's assembled, they have to taper the front so we get this flush finish with some bolster here. They're, as they're laying it up, they're sort of figuring out how to orient the piece so it has a nice grip in your hand. And again, what's special about these is they are one of a kind. So each one is a unique piece of our Rocky Mountain elk, and it's fitted up to make a nice, comfortable handle. I think people know us for our bright colored handles made out of G10. They're super cool, but every now and then we like to remind you we are from Wyoming here, and this is, there's nothing more classic than a knife with an elk horn here in the Rocky Mountain West, so this is a great tribute. Also, the Teton etch is an homage to the Tetons, where we make the knives, and New West is headquartered. It not only looks cool on the side of the blade, but it helps keep food from sticking to the side of the knife. So this really is a classic. I'm not the biggest guy for collecting things, but these are really some classics that we only made 132 of that are, it's a cool knife to own. Holidays, this time of year, we're reminding everybody Christmas comes but once a year, and the elves are full out right now making knives to make sure we have them in time for Christmas. And this is just a fantastic heirloom gift that would be great for anybody this holiday season.